Hello everyone. Now just one click, you can invest in the stock market. In this video, we will show you how you can get that facility. Value Stocks brings intelligent portfolios for you. Here you can read all the details about Value Stocks portfolios and its key features. You can get FAQ about Value Stocks and its services. The Stock Basket facility, where you can start your investment with a minimum of 5 lakh rupees. Also, you can read the fact sheets of these baskets. Now click on the Invest Now option. Enter your mobile number. Now click on the Proceed button and OTP will be sent to your mobile number. Enter that OTP and click on the Proceed button. Now a new page will open, where you will see 5 steps. Login with your broker, KYC details, billing info, risk profiling, sign agreement, payment details or ENAC. Click on Login with your broker option. Now a new page will open where you have to type your login ID and password. Then click on the login button and proceed to the next step. Now you have to complete a few steps for KYC. First, you have to enter your PAN number and date of birth and click on the Verified PAN option. Here you have to click on some appropriate answers about your financial status, like objective, income, liabilities, etc. To understand your risk profile, complete these steps and click on the Submit button. After completion of these steps, the system will show you your risk profile and give you the option to review your given answers, and if you are satisfied with your risk profile, then click on the Continue button to move forward. After that, you have to go through the Some More process and click on the eSign button. A new pop-up will come up there. You have to read on the terms of service and privacy policy condition options. After reading all those documents, and then click on the Proceed button. Value Stock will show you all the information which you have already given in this KYC process. Now click on the Sign Now button and move forward. On this page, you have to click on the checkbox and enter your Aadhaar card number and click on the Send OTP button, and OTP will be sent to your mobile number. Enter the OTP and click on the Verify OTP button. After completing the verification of your Aadhaar, a new page will open and give you confirmation that the document was signed successfully. After that, Value Stock will verify your signature, and for that reason you have to wait for 2 minutes. Now a new page will open, where you will get some information about the rate of deduction for your investment and the 4 billing dates in a year. At the bottom you will find 2 buttons. Register via UPI and register via net banking debit card and Aadhaar card. If you want to pay through UPI, then click Register via UPI button. Here you will see the start date, end date, frequency and the maximum amount. Please note that 1 rupee will be debited from your account for registration. If you want to pay through other options, then click Register via net banking, debit card and Aadhaar card button. On the next page, you have to choose your bank name, write account number, account holder name, and choose account type. Then click on the Register Now button to move ahead. Now you have to wait for a few minutes for the bank account registration and verification process. Your mandate registration form will appear. Check your details and click Submit to move ahead. On your bank net banking page, put your customer ID or user ID and click Continue. Then put your net banking password and click Login. In the next step, you have to enter the second level authentication OTP, which you will get on your registered mobile number, and click on Submit button. Congratulations! Your account is ready and you are all set to start investing. Here you will see the all details of your preferred basket. Confirm the investment amount and click on the Confirm Amount button to start the investment. A pop-up will appear about the IFE information and your next billing date. Now click on Place Order button. Here you will see your order of 30 stocks basket. Please check and then click Submit button. Click on the OK button. Again click OK button to proceed further. Your order executed successfully. Click on the OK button to close the pop-up. Here you will see invested amount, current value and return. Here you can see your holdings from this page. Thank you. Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.